Hey, there's nothing special about this video. People do ask me a lot of times, what 3D printer do you recommend? I'll be honest with you, that's a very loaded question because it comes down to things like, are you looking to tinker and build and customize your own 3D printer? And if so, maybe you look at something like the Ender 3 even to this day. But if you're looking for something that's a little bit more production ready, if you will, kind of just going to be printing and you won't have to worry as much about things. Of course, there still will be maintenance. I recommend the Bambu X1 Carbon. I can go into a lot more detail why I recommend these things, but they've proved to be reliable and consistent for me. And with a few thousand hours, I do have one Bambu X1 Carbon now that I need to replace the micro LiDAR on, but that's not too bad. And the reason I mention all of this today, and I'm being a little bit quick, is my local MicroCenter, and maybe even your local MicroCenter, now has the Bambu X1 Carbon without the AMS or the color changing module. Just the Bambu X1 Carbon. This guy right here for $749. I think that's the cheapest I've ever seen it. This last week, they released the Bambu HS2, which will be the essentially upgraded Bambu X1 Carbon. But there is nothing wrong with this printer, especially for $749. And if you're looking at MicroCenter and you see them refurbished, they may be even cheaper. I would highly recommend, if you're looking into a 3D printer, to check them out now. A couple of things. Number one, I did add a refurbished and a new one to my cart, which I'll go pick up. And the refurbished does still show a little bit more expensive. I'm going to try to see if they will lower the price at the store so that a refurbished is cheaper than a new, as it should be. All right, take care. Not a sponsor, no money, all that shit.